As a parent, there are very important decisions which we take in our life, and one of those decisions is putting our child into the best school. A school is a place where he will develop, a place where his learning, his life journey will start. And yes, there we land up to take his admission to MBSC. The reason why putting him into the school was a place where he is not only confined or is not only restricted to academics, where he not only learn about alphabets and numbers, he will develop his energy, he will develop new skills, and that is the thing that has urged us to put him here. As a parent, there are many questions, there are many things that worry us. Will he be comfortable? Will he be happy? Will he develop himself? And yes, I see Angad that when he comes home, he has lots of things to tell us. He has many stories to share with us. He is always happy coming home and sharing things with us. And the next day morning, he is already ready before us to tell, Mama, today I'm going to do this, because he has already been learning all those things. And that's what gives us happiness, because the pre-primary phase is really a difficult phase for a parent, because children are not easily ready to go to the school. And seeing their happiness, seeing them curious to go to the school, learning new things, this gives us happiness. The activities that they learn here, like art, music, sand art, some different activity which usually children learn to play with mud and all. So sand activity is one of those that he loves here. Second activity is painting. His craze for painting is going beyond. Every day he comes home, he takes his page, he takes his watercolors and he just scribbles. That all colors that he uses in painting, that helps him to be creative, that helps him to be more innovative. The another things that he learn, or the things that he develop, is the rhymes that he says in the school, the prayers that he says. Every day while sleeping, he says, "Thank you God for everything." And then suddenly one night he started saying this prayer, and we were shocked that, Angad, how did you learn this? So he said the teacher told us that whenever we end our day, we should say thanks to the God. And that's really very beautiful. Developing academics is good, developing into sports is good, but spiritual activities, cultural activities, these are very important, because in future these things will help him to be a part of the society, and that's what we are happy with. MBSC is not just a school. The school's tagline is really very suitable. It not only basic academics, but it's on the holistic development of the child. The child is really developing. It's been just a year that I've put Angad into the school, but I'm seeing a drastic changes in his behavior. I'm seeing drastic changes in his development, and that's what makes us happy. We are very grateful to the school and the staff. Thank you, MBSC.